Friday night, and we thought we'd take a golf cart ride to Brownwood Town Square to see the Never Never Band. But first, we're going to check out the progress they're making at the Village of Richmond expansion, where they are building new spec homes. We're starting right at the entrance, heading south on Widman Place.
We'll drive around the outside perimeter first. All the homes appear to be designer spec homes.
Most of the homes are two-car garages plus a golf cart garage.
We noticed that two of the homes, the ones on the corner lots that have a little more area, already have pools installed. When they build precast concrete homes, the windows are installed at the factory, so they're all ready to go when they bring them in.
Here on Quelly Road, there are homes with just 2-car garages.
I noticed that these homes in the middle section are very close to each other.
Aren't those what they call kissing lanais, David?
I don't know, yeah, I think so. We're leaving Richmond and heading over to Brownwood Town Square. It's a quick golf cart ride and very scenic.
Give us a thumbs up if you like this video and comment below. Check out our other videos here. You can subscribe to the channel by clicking on our logo. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the flip side.